Hello, my sweethearts. Welcome back. And if you're new here, welcome. And do not forget to hit that subscribe button. Now, the question is it a crochet or is it a wig? Why don't you stay and find out? First, I would like to say hello to everyone. Thank you guys so much for subscribing. I love you. Okay, so let's see what's under this cap. Yes, sweethearts, this hairstyle is based on recycled braids. There's nothing wrong with recycling them. I know I've re-washed my hair actually and conditioned it. With the braids in there, you can do that. All of my products are going to be listed in the description box below, so please do not forget to check that out. My leave outs, you guys, I love my leave outs. I'm always going to have them. Tell me what you think about them. You know, if you don't need a leave out actually with this hairstyle, but I prefer them. So tell me what you think. Sweethearts, please make sure you're oiling and conditioning your scalp throughout this hairstyle. Booyah! There it is. We are crocheting this hairstyle. So if you selected crochet, you have it right. Sorry for the wig selectors. Your chance next time. Okay, sweetheart, so I'm going to start off with the beach curl. I'm going to split that in half and go ahead and start crocheting. Doing this hairstyle only took me under an hour to do, you know, being though my hair is already braided. All you need to do is oil it up and then start crocheting. That's all it's going to take is under an hour. When you're knotting these up or tying these together, you only have to tie it one time because, mind you, it is long. If you have to tie them multiple, it's because they're short. So right now, they're not going to fall out even though you've tied them one time. So you grab the hook, you slip it under the braid, then you grab the crochet hair, and then you put that on the crochet needle. You pull that under the braid, and then you tie the hair in a knot. I wish I can show you a little better or tell you a little better. So if I was you, I'll go ahead and stop it, rewind, slow it down, and see what I did. So I'm doing the water wave only in the front of my hair. If you notice that, you know, when you comb your hair, when it's being wet or wavy, it's always a smaller curl in the front, and then the curls get thicker in the back. So that's the concept that I'm going right now. You can try and put the crochet as close to the edge as possible, but remember we are putting the leave out over it. So the leave out is going to cover up, you know, or try to at least cover up all of the you know, the parts and all the extra parts that you see in the front. I'm doing curl la la on the edges because I believe curl la la has a nice curl to it once it sits. Because once we put these perm rods on here and we let it sit, it's going to have a nice curl and it's going to match the crochet hair. You can let these sit in for however long you like, as long as they're dry. Once they're dry, then you can take them out and style. Cut to your desired length. You guys, make sure you're cutting downward. Don't cut straight, you know, just straight to the side, because it's going to be straight. You have to cut downward to where it'll match the way the hair is going. Now, as you can see, I already have my black edge control on my edges. I put some I took the perm rods out, and then I put some black edge control around my edges, and then I put a scarf on, and then I let that sit for about 20 minutes, and then these are the results, my sweetheart. It did not take that long at all. Like I said, under an hour, you guys, and you got a bomb crochet hairstyle waiting for you. My sweethearts, if you like this hairstyle, please don't forget to like, comment, please share, most definitely subscribe. If you're new here, I'm waiting for you. I love you guys, even if I don't know you. I'll see you guys next time.